Hey, welcome back. I'm looking up at the camera here. I got up on my workbench because I wanted to do a project on make some holdfasts today for my woodworking bench, which, come here, over here. As you can see let me put the light down. You can see these are 3/4 inch holes I drilled. This is doubled up 2x8s, I believe they were. And so this is basically 3 inches thick. And then I got 2x8 on the outside here. It's going this way. No, that's 2x12. I'm sorry, I got 2x12 this way, so I got an extra 1.5 inches there. So I drilled these. I think they're 6 inches apart. I want to forge some holdfasts. And never forged one, so we'll forge it and see if it works. So I think what I need for a holdfast is you got a flat piece. Oops, looks like a duck head. Comes up, down. I've got to go through tabletop of, let's just say 1, 2, hold each of these lines 3 inches. And then I want this to come out 6 to 8 inches, probably with probably a little higher, probably about a 4-inch. Maybe just go up a little bit more, like that. And so then I'll have to be able to put something under here, so say up to 3, 4 inches here to hold down height-wise. So I'm going to have probably about 9 to 10 inches in this section. Going, if this was a triangle, this came out say 8 inches, came up 4 inches. I do find the hypotenuse is it, but I'll just say 8 or 9 inches from up here, so in this curve. And then add on 3 to 4 inches here, plus, yeah, we'll keep it low. So I have 9, 10 inches, about 3 or 4 inches, so it's, we'll just say 13 to 14 inches. I'll be able to go through 3-inch wood, which would be another 3 inches, 16 plus allow for the thing, be something in the 3 or 4 inches, so it'd be close to 20, 21 inches. I may start with 20 inches, 20-inch length. See what it does. Anyway, this is 5/8 rod. Let me even do 21. Just I need to do all the forging to find out I was off a little bit. That'd be too long, not long enough. So we'll try 21 inches. My Evolution cutoff saw. I love this thing. Putting a little bit of a point on, not much. I'm going to come back and flatten it. A little more rounder over there. I'd like to be on that side. My anvil, most anvils have a more curved corner edge and parts, and then a sharp edge. That's a sharp, I don't want a curved edge. As I set this down about an inch back or so. And half on, half off. Now I'm going to switch over to the sharp edge and do a little. See how much I've got set down now. Coming in at an angle, right down to toward the point. Coming at this angle toward the point, and miss. Oh, a piece slipped off. Better get hot again. Okay, it did what I wanted it to anyway. See that or not? I've got kind of a center ridge. I wanted to come out a little further, but it slipped when I hit it. But this is my first one. that was a nice exercise. And I should have realized it seemed thin. It's supposed to be made out of 5/8. It's, well, it's so sloppy in the hole. It held. But I grabbed the wrong stock. It's 1/2 inch. I had 5/8 for these 3/4 inch holes. But I kind of got, you know, something to use for a guide. I may use this to actually make me a little jig to bend around, make it a little where I can. This has kind of got a kink right there. I don't really like that too much. Make it a little more flow around. If I make a jig and do that, it'll work out. I like the way that, you know, the foot came out, even if it is on the wrong steel. So, hey, that was fun. Let's do it again with some heavier steel. Have a blessed day.